Welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson, we're going to understand different types of segments and breakdowns inside Meta Ads Manager that help us analyze our ad performance more effectively. Right now, I'm inside a live ad account, and as you can see, these campaigns are actively running. Today, this campaign generated 65 leads, and the cost per lead is around 7.35 Indian rupees. If I check yesterday's data, you can see we got 162 leads at just 5.65 Indian rupees per lead. So overall, this campaign is performing really well. Now let's analyze this campaign properly. First, I'll select this campaign from the list. As you can see, there are many campaigns running here, but I only want to focus on one specific campaign. So I'll go to Search and Filter, and then click on Filter by Selection. Now only this selected campaign is visible, which makes analysis much easier. Next, if you look at the columns section, by default Meta shows us the performance view. Here we can see campaign name, delivery status, bid strategy, budget, attribution setting, results, reach, impressions, cost per result, total amount spent. All of this data helps us quickly understand how the campaign is performing. If you go to the Setup section, you can again see information like bid strategy and budget settings. Then inside Delivery, you'll find metrics like reach, frequency, CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions. You can also check engagement metrics such as post reactions, comments, saves, link clicks, followers and page likes. But remember something very important. Likes, comments, and shares are not our primary KPI. What truly matters is, did we generate leads? Did we get sales? Did the campaign achieve the business goal? That's the real metric we should focus on. Now if we move to video engagement, we can analyze 3-second video plays, 25% views, 50% views, 75% views, 95% views, 100% completed views. Again, these metrics are useful, but our final focus should always remain on conversions and leads. Now let's move to performance and clicks. Here we can see link clicks, CPC, CTR, click-through performance. This helps us understand how users are interacting with the ad. Now comes one of the most powerful sections, breakdown. Inside breakdown, we can analyze data in multiple ways. For example, by age, by gender, by region, by device. If I select age, I can see which age group is performing best. If I choose gender, I can compare performance between male, female, and uncategorized audiences. Similarly, under region, I can analyze which states are generating the best results. For example, Gujarat, Haryana, Kerala, Odisha. This is extremely useful when creating reports for your clients, team, or manager. Now let's look at something very important, device breakdown. If I select impression device, we can compare traffic from iPhone, Android, desktop, tablets. And this data clearly shows something very interesting. Desktop traffic is almost dead. Most impressions, clicks, and conversions are coming from mobile devices. This teaches us a very important lesson. Your landing page should always be optimized for mobile devices. Many marketers spend hours designing beautiful landing pages for desktop users, but after running ads, they realize almost all traffic is coming from mobile. That means they wasted time optimizing for the wrong device. So whenever you build a landing page, always make sure it is mobile friendly, fast loading, easy to use on smartphones. Because mobile optimization is no longer optional, it's essential. So these are some of the major breakdowns and analysis options available inside Meta Ads Manager. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to create custom reports, export data, analyze city and state level performance, and go even deeper into campaign analysis. Thank you so much for watching this lesson.